it's Saving with Shay, and I am here for my Walmart weekend haul for you guys. Look, I didn't even hit both the last bonuses, and I was really hoping I would get something. Excuse the fact that I'm a little nasal. My allergies have just been kicking me in the butt. Real quick, thank you to all of you guys who were asking if we were okay with the California wildfires. I'm in the high desert, so we're pretty far from it, but I do have family that's down there, and as of now, everybody is good. But my prayers definitely go out to anyone that's in that area, SoCal, that are affected by this, because it's just crazy. Like I've been watching some of the footage, and it's just so sad. It's just so freaking sad. But with that being said, this is my weekend Walmart haul for you guys. I only have a couple things I did at Target. Those will be in the Google Doc. But anyway, so for my weekend, I need 10 offers for $5, which should be relatively easy to hit. As far as that larger bonus, y'all, like I'm only 6 in, so I have no intentions of hitting that whatsoever. How are you guys doing? I feel like the deals haven't been dealing lately. At least I know, I can honestly say the last like 2 weeks, 3 weeks or so, the deals haven't really been dealing. And so I'm hoping that picks up pretty soon, because it really sucks. Other than that, what else? I hope you guys watched my hopefully last and final update as far as Shopkick, and they did give back kicks they shouldn't have took in the first place, which is good. And like I said in that video, if you haven't watched it, go watch it. But you know, I'm more excited about, you know, the people that got paid back that truly could not take the product back. And you know what, I wanted to mention something really quick, because I was talking to one of my favorite cashiers today, and she was saying, because I was asking her about, you know, stuff that's returned, do they have to damage things out? Because a few of you guys were saying in the comments that they have to damage that stuff out, and she was saying no, in fact they don't have to damage it out. Well, if there's some type of if it's been open, or it's been used, or it's been tampered with, they have to damage it out or whatever. But she said if not, then they put it back on the shelf. So I was like, oh, that's good to know, because that would be a lot of stuff they would have to damage out at the end of the day. And not that I really cared that much about what Walmart did with it, because my issue was with Shopkick. If I wasn't going to get paid for something, I'm going to take it back regardless of what Walmart does with it. And so I just wanted to kind of just mention that. But other than that, again, I only have 10 offers I need to do today. We're going to see what we can do. I think I'll barely be able to knock that out, to be honest with y'all. But with that being said, we're going to head to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals we can get into. Actually, did I say subscribe? I don't think I said subscribe. I didn't. Listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. Without further ado, we're going to head to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals we can grab. If you want to subscribe, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
All right, so this first deal is on the little chips that are 2 for 98 cents. I know some stores don't carry these. They're on this like standalone display. Only 2 of my stores carry them. And so they're priced at 2 for 98 cents, 49 cents each. Now for this, you want to grab 5 of them. I'll be using this coupon here. I just ordered a set this morning from my IP person. I'll pop up who I get my coupons from. So it's going to come to $2.45. Coupon will adjust down to $2.45, making it absolutely free. Now this coupon in the past has not worked in self-checkout, so I would assume that it's not going to work this time as well. And so you do have to do this with a regular register. Okay, and so this next deal is on the Yogi chai latte tea. It's priced at $4.98. We have a free offer over on aisles. I'll have a link for you in the Google Doc. It'll be in the Google Doc. And then we also have $1.25 back on Ibotta, making this a $1.25 moneymaker. And so this next deal is on the C4 packets. They're priced at $6.28. For this, you want to grab 2. You'll pay $12.56, getting back a buy one get one free offer on Ibotta of $6.28. There's also a buy one get one free offer for aisles as well. They sent me another offer for buy one get one free. I'm making them both absolutely free. This next deal is on the Glade warmers. As you can see, the store doesn't have any of the 1 counts, priced at 178. Getting that back on Ibotta makes that free. They also have an offer on the 2 count, which is priced at 348. Getting back 250 would make that 98 cents. There's also an offer on the oh wait, there's pumpkins on clearance. I can't find any pumpkin though for $1.50. If you can find the one for $1.50, the pumpkin scent, you'll get back $1 on Ibotta. There's also $1 on Checkout 51 as well. Makes that a 50-cent moneymaker. The other ones are priced at $2.38, getting back $1 on Ibotta. $1 on Checkout 51 brings that 2.38 cents. All right, and so the next deal is going to be on the Palmolive. This is not the greatest of deals, but if it's something that you need, you might want to pick it up. Priced at $2.82, getting back $1 on Ibotta. That's also 50 cents on Swagbucks as well, making it 1.32. All right, so next up is the Colgate. I went ahead and grabbed this deal again. I did it last time for Ibotta. This time I'm going to go ahead and grab it for Walmart Rewards. Price at $5.22. Getting back $4 makes this $1.22. All right, guys. So this next deal is on the Mega Red. It's priced at $10.37. Now for this, you're getting back 5 on Ibotta, 7 on Checkout 51. It makes it $1.63 moneymaker. Now I did print a coupon off coupons.com for $7, so that's an option for you. It did have to be approved, and so yeah. All right. So next up is the Beekeeper's little throat soothers. Josiah actually really likes these, so I was actually excited to do this deal, and I keep forgetting to do it. It's a social nature offer. It's priced at $5.96, getting that back. Now there's also an offer on a spray as well, which this store is the only one that carries it, and they're out right now. That one I think is priced at $9.97, getting it back via social nature, and so yeah, not a bad deal. All right, guys. So here is our complete haul for today. I did hit my weekend. This worked out pretty good. I don't think I mentioned the Glade spiced apple. I found this one on clearance for $4.50. $2 back on Ibotta, $2 back on Checkout 51, made that 50 cents. I did find some of the pumpkin on clearance for $1.50. Went ahead and grabbed the 4 they had. Paid $6, got back $4 on Ibotta, $1 on Checkout 51. It made them like 25 cents each, and then I went ahead and grabbed the pink can and did that one for Walmart Rewards, and submitted $1 to Checkout 51, made that 38 cents. Now I did do quite a bit of Walmart Rewards today. I did that, actually the Glade, the 2-pack, it reset for me. I did it yesterday, it reset today, so I did that twice. I did the single one for Walmart Rewards. I actually meant to do that for Ibotta, but yeah, because they only had the one, which is why I was trying to do it like that. But yeah, there was that. I did the Mega Red for Walmart Rewards. And I did the Colgate for Walmart Rewards. So that worked out pretty good. I did get back all of my redemptions or my rebates, which is always good. For what was it? Aisles, we had the Yogi, we had the ravioli, and we had the C4. Now with aisles, they did send me a number that I could text and like all my receipts to, which I think is pretty cool. I know Amy had mentioned it. And I had never tried just submitting my one receipt to, or my receipts to that particular number, which just makes it so much easier, because I hate the fact that with aisles, you have a different number for every freaking offer. And it's like, I have a gazillion text messages and get them all mixed up and not knowing which ones to delete. And so it does help to just use one general text number, which is really cool. But that did work out for me today. What else? Coupon. Oh, the Nora. I did that at Target. I went to do the raviolis at Target, and then I was like, I saw the Noras posted over Instagram. At Target, I believe one is $129. I think the pasta is, well, the pack is $129, I think, and the cup is $2.79. I had $1.50 off 2 printable. I did give my IP guy. I think it might be on coupons.com though. It didn't scan for me in self-checkout. The cashier actually price modified the cup for the coupon, and then I submitted that to Fetch Reward and got back $3.25. I just did one set because I wanted to see how it was going to work out, so I'll probably go back and do it more because it made them both free plus like a 59-60 cent money maker, which is really cool. I did find the immune support spray, which was really cool because I don't think I had much time left on that offer. Did you guys try the pancake one that popped up on Social Nature? I had it the other day. I mentioned it in my last video. Oh my gosh, it was so freaking good. Now, would I pay $5 for that all the time? No. But it was so freaking good. It was the little pancakes and you heat it up in the microwave. Like you don't need butter, you don't need syrup. Loved it. Then that, oh, what you don't see on the table is on the floor. I got 40 bags of chips, you guys. And I think I had an offer on inbox dollars for 5 cents for Doritos, 5 cents for Ruffles. And there's also one for Fritos, but you know, I haven't seen Fritos in a long time in the little small bag. But I did do 2 coupons per transaction. I did 3 transactions today, 3 different registers or cashiers, and then yesterday I did a set of 10. So pay $2.45, coupon adjusted $2.45, makes them all free. And so yeah. So anyway, so everything that you see here retails $102.01. We had $18.30 in coupons. It brought the out of pocket down to $83.71. And then we walk away with $25.83 from Ibotta, $23.95 from Isles. Checkout 51 was $17 between 2 accounts. Walmart Rewards is $16.78. Social Nature, $15.94. Fetch Reward is $3.25. And last but not least, inbox dollars was 10 cents. So getting back a total of $102.85 makes everything you see here free plus a $19.14 moneymaker, which is definitely not bad considering it's been slow, but I'm happy your girl made a little money. My sales tax for this was $6.80. So even after tax, we still make some money, which is really, really good. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. It will definitely, if you got to the end, please do your girl a favor. Help out the algorithm. Let YouTube know your girl's a little part. Just a little important. And so other than that, I appreciate you guys watching. And we will. Jojo, what was our emoji? I almost forgot our emoji. Do you remember what our emoji was? Darn it, he told me to. I asked him after school today when I picked him up so he wouldn't forget. Was it a light? A street light. A street light. So if you guys get to the end of the video, is there a street light emoji bug? If there is a street light emoji, we'd love to see it in the comments. If you make it to the end of the video, as always, we appreciate you guys watching. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.